everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or water or whatever. Sit back, relax. Let's do some chat about a couple of crochet items I completed. All right, I finished these a while back actually. So, actually, first of all, how is everyone? And how's your weather? Yeah, I've been posting things on my personal Facebook, and a lot of you are friends of mine on there, which is so cool. Yeah, the weather's been crazy here in Winnipeg, Canada. I'll give you an example. Saturday, no, not Saturday. Yes, Saturday was gorgeous. We went to have our taxes done at our friend's place, and then we sat on the step. You know, I was just wearing a t-shirt and jeans, and it was beautiful, beautiful out. Next day, snowing. Can't remember what happened Monday. I think it was still cold. Tuesday it was cold. I actually had to wear a winter jacket to walk to my dentist appointment. Thankfully, I had my hat on because my ears would have been so cold. And it was snowing on and off that day. That was Tuesday. Yesterday, Wednesday, April 21st, it was so nice out. I was sitting on my front step, wearing a tank top and leggings. And then today, it's almost 20 degrees Celsius right now, which is 68 Fahrenheit. It's beautiful out there. It's only 1:15 in the afternoon. And they're calling for snow tonight. Like, it's crazy. And a lot of you have commented on my Facebook about your crazy weather in the US. Like, okay, I know April in Winnipeg is wonky anyway. I mean, we have cold weather, we have warm weather, but it's almost like it's changing daily. Like, you know what I think is happening? You know what I think is happening? Besides climate change? I think that Mother Nature is having an affair with Jack Frost and leaving Father Time out in the cold. I think that's what's happening. Yeah. They're more into each other than into smartening up and making the weather right. All right, anyway, that's enough of that. So today's beautiful. Yeah, I said snow tonight, they say. So after I make this video, I'm gonna sit outside again. I just came in from outside, actually. So try and get a little sun, you know. Not that it's good for you. It certainly isn't good for you anymore. If it ever was, I don't know. But anyway, okay. So I was watching Lisa's Crochet. Hi, Lisa. And this was a while back. She had made all these cowls. They were so nice. And so, of course, I had to make them. I made a couple. So I'll show you this one first. And I think it's so beautiful. It's very easy to make. I love the edging. And I put these buttons on that I had in my button container. Look at those colors. I think it worked out really, really pretty. So I got this yarn from Tori. It's in Happy Mail a while back, and she's from Polly's Crocheted Creations, and this is Wool Ease, hand dyed. It's a Lion brand, and it's let's see, 100 grams, 146 yards, 80% acrylic, 20% wool. It's called Milky Way, and this is what it looks like. I loved it as soon as I saw it. I thought, oh my goodness. She gave me 2 of these. And I used maybe 3/4 of one of these to make this cowl. And I think it's just gorgeous. This is the back. So I'm just going to put it on. And yeah, mine comes up high on the neck, and I don't know, I can't remember if Lisa's did. But I'll put the link below to the video tutorial that we followed for these. I think it's so pretty. What do you guys think? And then I'm in another one. And this other one, the yarn I used for this other one is Mandela that was gifted to, well, it was actually a yarn swap that Cate from Bitchin' Stitches. I just have a little hard of a time saying that channel name. But anyway, I'll put her link below too. Hi, Cate. She had given me this Mandela yarn in a yarn swap, and she gave me 2 of them, and it does have like greenish colors in it. So I use the greenish colors from this one to make this other cowl. I'll tell you what this is. Mandala Baby by Lion Brand, 150 grams, 590 yards, lightweight 3. And this is Echo Cate. And this is the green that I took out of it to make this one. And I did have a very little bit of green left. And I had these buttons. They don't actually match style-wise, but they've all got, let's see. They all have, I don't know if you can see that, they all have green in them. So I use those. Does anybody else use buttons that are not the same style, and they use them on this one item? I don't know. When I did this, I thought I was starting a new trend or something, but hubby and I were watching a movie the other day. Well, he was watching it. I was kind of not watching it, but I did see where a girl, it was called Penelope, and she had a dress, I think it was, and it had all kinds of different buttons, different styles. I think it was different colors as well. I'm like, holy, is that ever weird? It was kind of cool though, you know? So yeah, so I'll put this one on. And I don't remember what size hooks I used. So this one comes up high on my neck too, which is fine because I like to be warm. But yeah, I just think they're pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, and also I screwed up a little bit when I was making, actually I was making this one first. The stitching is, I got mixed up. But this one I did better. This one I followed her tutorial and I paid attention to what I was doing. So this is the stitch, the way it's supposed to be. So let me show you the other one. Oops, I dropped it on the floor. Let me show you. Actually, maybe I'll show you from the back. So this is the way it's supposed to be. And that's the way I did it. But I still like it. Still like it. There was like back loops and front loops and yeah. But anyway. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Except for I have a giveaway going on right now for my 300 subscriber appreciation celebration. So I'll link that video below. Make sure you enter it. There's been a really big response and I'm so happy for that. Yeah, so it's open worldwide. And also I have a Facebook group. It's for knitters and crocheters, yarniness. And I'll link that below. I do have an Instagram as well. It's crafty.yarn.owl. So if you want to follow me on there. And I think that's it. That's it for now. So thank you so much for joining me Have a wonderful day. If you have a nice day today, enjoy it. Go out there, sit in your yard. You know, you don't have to wear a mask in your own yard if you're by yourself or if you're with your family, right, who live in your house. Oh, these rules. But anyway, follow the rules, because this thing should have been over a long time ago. In Canada here, we have a lot of people who are, according to the news, who are in the hospital, and they're young people. They're 40 and down to teenagers, and like, come on. The main way it's spreading, they say, is gatherings. So come on, people. I want to gather with people again, but I'm not doing it because I have to be safe, and I want you all to be safe. All right, you take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.